keep it tidy. Welcome back to the channel. I hope you're enjoying the journey. So right now we're just gonna go down to San Vicente, the next town on, and I'm gonna buy a boat, fishing boat, and I'm gonna become a fisherman in the Philippines. So keep it tidy, get ready, let's go get this boat. Here she is. Man's going to be a fisherman in the Philippines.
Nice, bro.
What's it?
Yay! Keep it steady!
Nunok para sa ilis ito?
Ha?
Buzzing.
Sa ano?
Get me out at sea, mate. Catch bear squid. This is going to be good. This is going to be good. Oh, I've got a boat. I've got a boat in England. I've got a boat in the Philippines. Not a bamboo boat though, mate. Fucking bamboo boat. Bamboo boat.
Kung kaya niyo mo.
Ayan!
Oh, may patayo. Oy!
First time, Mush. First time.
Adjust the...
Yeah.
Maganda yan, maganda yan.
Yeah.
May bangka rin ako dati yan.
Well, I got a cool, mate. I love it.
Abot na yan doon.
Ay, pabalik.
It looks like a bag of scrap, mate, but this is what they use out here, bamboo boats, mate.
Pilit ang agad ngayon.
Cheap as chips. We're getting one. We're going to catch fish and we're going to give back to the village. Let's have it. So yeah, if you haven't already, like, subscribe, and let's follow this part of the journey. It's going to be a good one. We're going to get some good fishing vlogs coming out. We're going to paint it all up. We're going to take it back to Alimanguan and we're going to paint it all up nicely. Paper's dry now.
Talay tayo yung picture na yan.
Tanggalin ko na ito.
Oo, tanggalin mo lang.
Tanggalin mo na siguro.
Oh,
O, doon na lang. Doon na lang
Doon
siguro.
na lang.
Baka mga napunit mo.
So where do we take this?
On the Office of the Municipal Agriculture.
Same for this as well?
Yeah, same.
Plate
And
number.
they'll issue another one of these?
Yeah.
I-transfer mo na yan. Pambot permit plate.
Yeah, when we transfer, we'll get a different new permit.
Yeah, yeah.
Did I get the under?
Ah, bugata.
Ready?
Okay.
Oh, we're in. We're in.
You're in now, brother.
Getting now?
Yeah.
Yes, okay na.
You sure?
Ayan na kayo, time na yan ang yeah.
Tingnan natin yung alon. Hindi siya ba?
Whoosh!
Yeah. Yeah.
Ha? Sige na.
Sige, sige.
Fucking rapid!
Diba, sabit ko lang yung piso doon.
Proper island boy. Right, we've got diesel, we've got fishing equipment, we've got handrail, wire, some fucking, can't speak, I'm excited, some hooks. What are we going to do about bait? I need some bait, fish. Do you know where I can get a bit of fish here?
Yeah.
Fish.
First fish?
Fish. Where can I get fish for the bait?
Magkasimbol sa mga medyo.
Oof. Hello.
Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Hello.
Camera straight in face. Yeah, so we need a little bit of fish and a knife. Mac. Hi. Look at that. Part of fishing crew now. Hello. Oh. Right, we've got live bait. Bought another knife. Wasn't expecting to go fishing so soon, but we're going for it. So let's get it all assembled. Let's go. Fishing bait. We're getting fishing bait. We're getting lines set up, and we're going to go fishing immediately. Quick shark. Fill it up. Captain. Got one already? Fish on?
I'm not sure. Small.
Small?
Yeah.
Yay!
First fish?
Yeah.
Come on. I'm doing no up front here with that.
Oh.
Whoa! First fish!
Very small.
Maliit!
Maliit. But it's okay.
Not on mine, mate.
Mas small.
Oh, check.
Kamatoy kayo.
No on mine. Look, there's no on mine. Crap. Yeah?
How are you again?
Huh?
How are you?
I'm good, but this fishing rod is no good. It needs to be a line like you've got.
You use this.
No, you use it.
Try this.
No, it's okay.
Ano yung bag na dito?
No, mate, no on it.
Ganda kayo paano lang.
It's a big one.
I am Bill, bro.
Huh?
Yeah, bro. Hey.
Oh,
It's called bisugo.
Bisogo.
Yeah.
Where's it? Where we're putting them? In there.
Kaya ito talaga yung product dito?
Saan? No?
Sa? Isda ba saan lagay?
Yes, aquarium.
Yan siguro maganda.
Di, aquarium, Brad. Diyan aquarium. Ano mo sa... Yung isa sa gilid, may natanggal yung ano. Yung kawayan. Sa gilid.
Where's your phone gone?
Kanan.
Ay, dito na yung lalagyan niya?
Diyan sa aquarium.
Does it feel like big? No.
Only that kind of size.
Number 3, we're on it. Number 3.
Peter, bro. Pag malinaw kapag sa'yo, tingin sa'yo malinaw, Brad.
What's that?
Yeah.
Malinaw, ang dagat. Flat,
Birek.
the ocean.
Bisugong birek. So, naman din.
We're on. Maybe.
Nice, bro. Very big
No.
fish.
Maliet.
Big.
Might not have an one.
It's okay.
Big.
Yep.
Yeah, okay. Oh, nice one.
This one. Oh, sa taas.
Slowly. No, don't put in the. Just hold tight. Hold tight a bit. And the hook.
It's slippy.
No.
What?
You.
I'm getting the knock out of his face.
You're the one to. That one.
Oh god.
Like this. This. You hold
Got
this.
it, got it.
Yeah. Here. Put here the fish. Here, the fish. Yeah.
First fish.
Nice, perfect.
Nice one.
This one. Perfect timing, bro.
Release. But you need to, yeah. Hold the until nylon is gone. Oh, look at mo. Boy.
Big.
No.
We're on. I think.
You feel it?
I felt it, yeah.
Yeah. You feel
Tug.
the fish will move. Moving. Ah. You feel nothing.
It's what? Very big. Show me.
Release this, release.
Like this. Wait, bro. Wait a minute. 30 minutes. Like this.
Very big.
What about? Oh, it's all tangled. It's all tangled up, for fuck's sake. Fish on! It's massive, Mac. This feels massive. This could be a barracuda. You ready? Ooh. This could be catch it there. Massive.
Yeah. Oh,
Yeah.
What?
it's big, brother.
Very big.
Can you see it?
It's big, yeah.
Oh, whoa!
Continue.
Look how big that is!
Yeah.
Ah! That's catch it there.
Nice, bro. Master fishing.
Oh, it's stuck good and proper, this one. There we go.
This one.
More bait on. More bait on the front and all. Fucking hard fishing, innit? Fucking fillet is full. Mate, I can't fucking feel the gun. That's coming straight off that. Double back. I can't even fucking pierce skin. Fucking right, lump on it. Right, ready? There, going. Come on, let's get a barracuda or something. Oh, we're tangled up again. Like that. It's fucked. Back, I need help. It's fucking tangled up again. Oh, I've done it. Done it, yes! We've got a leak on board. I hope that were a fish and not the current. Not like a fish. From Guinnesson's done this catch, what you say, mush? Yeah. Oh, I don't know if it's a fish or not. I might have shot a load earlier there. Fuck. No. Thought it were a fish. Fucking no one end of it, mate. I'm sick of it.
Makan yun. Akin na yan sa kanya.
Ang ganda rin gamitin.
Gamit niya.
Makahuli lang rin naman
Come on.
yan.
Makahuli sa akin. Barracuda!
Oh. Fish.
You see?
Ikot.
I don't think that's the bad first go, mate. I've got all them. 2 kilo, I've got them there. That's not bad for a couple hour. She's back. She's back in Alimangwan. Feet red up, mate. Beached it. Right, we're going to keep it here for a little bit now. We're going to pin it my feet. Swing it. We've got to still it now. One there. Just walk it in. Hopefully it's going to go there. I ain't got a fucking clue, mate. My feet are burning. What did you say? What did you say?
My feet is very hot.
It says my fucking feet hot. That's it. Final position. So yeah, keep locked in, like, subscribe, and look, follow this adventure with boat now. We're gonna do it all up nice, gonna keep it tidied outside of it. Might even get some fucking turquoise flames on it and all. Alright. You know what I mean? So yeah,
like, comment, all of it. Let's keep going. Boom. Keep it tidy.